Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is to find the area and the perimeter of a plane figures, which comes under the mensuration topic, and it is from the chapter 20 from the Selina Concise mathematics textbook for the class 9 ICSE students. Alright, so today I'm going to list out the formulas which are used for the various types of triangles. This is the main thing, that is we are going to start with is for the different triangles, how to find the area and the perimeter. So let's begin. The first type of triangle which we come across is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle which one of the angle is 90 degrees. Alright, so here you will have two sides, and if they give all the sides, it's fine. If they don't give, then the third side can be found by using the Pythagoras theorem, which says that hypotenuse square is equal to square of the other two sides, isn't it? So now when you know all the three sides, the area of the formula, we can use this formula, that is half into base into altitude. Now in this case, if I take this triangle here, we know that this AB is the altitude and BC is the base. I'll write it as BC into AB. Alright, this is the formula to find the area of a right angle triangle. Let me write this as a right angled triangle. Coming to the second type of triangle, so we will use this triangle called as a Scalene triangle. Now what is the definition of a Scalene triangle? So triangle which all the sides are different, right? That is the definition of a Scalene triangle. So imagine we have a triangle here, A, B, C, and let's take this as a A side, this as a B side, this as a C side. All the sides are having a different dimension, different length of it. So when we have such things, we use something called as a Heron's formula. So which is the very important formula. So Heron's formula. So what does the Heron's formula says? That whenever we have a such triangle, we can find the area by using this formula called as S into S minus A and S minus B and S minus C, where A, B, C are the three sides of a given triangle. Alright. Now what is S? S is nothing but A plus B plus C divided by 2. You can easily find the S when you know all the three sides. So this is nothing but a Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. Now coming to the third type of a triangle is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle definition is when all the sides of a triangle are equal to each other. So if AB, BC and C, all the three sides of this triangle are equal. If I call them as A and A, okay, so they are all same, right? So now how do we find the area of an equilateral triangle? There is a formula which is nothing but root 3 upon 4 into A square, where A is nothing but the side of that triangle. So you know, right, in equilateral all sides are equal, so A is just the same length for all the sides. Now this is the last type of triangle we have here. It's isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is nothing but a triangle with two sides are equal. Okay, so also you should know some properties of isosceles triangle, that the angle formed opposite to the sides are also equal, and the perpendicular drawn from the one vertex to the third side, which is not a equal side, which is the another different sided triangle. So whenever we draw perpendicular, it will bisect the third side. That property you should know it. For isosceles triangle, there is a formula. How do we find the area of a triangle? So one is, you can use the Heron's formula also, and there is another formula which is nothing but area is equal to 1/4 and B into root of 4A square minus B square, where A is the length of the equal sides and B is the nothing but a base length. Alright, so now if we call this as A, this also will become A, and this is nothing but B. Okay, So now there is another method how to find the isosceles, the area of this isosceles triangle is by using, that is, we have to draw one, construct one perpendicular. Okay, so now you will get that perpendicular from the side will bisect this. If you know this base, you can easily find the area by using this method. Area is equal to half time base into altitude. And also another method to find it will be the normal, Heron's method, that is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So you can see that isosceles triangle, you can use, this is the one method to solve the area, this one as a second method, this one as the third method. Okay, so if possible, this is the best method because it's already given. Okay, so sometimes what happens is you will have to use this formula because you wouldn't know the the sides that time, and this is anyways, when you have all the three sides given, you can usually use this method to find the isosceles area. Okay, thank you.